Dear Miss Knockvey, I have a question regarding position, distance, and speed. I thought you could help me answer this question because you are our physical science teacher and probably have a better understanding of this topic than anyone else I know. Here is the problem. A fast-moving car is racing a slow-moving car, but the slow-moving car gets a head start and starts at the halfway point. Here's where I got confused. By the time the fast car reaches the starting position of the slow car will have moved a little bit closer to the finish line, and by the time the fast-moving car reaches that position of the slow car will have moved a little bit more. If this pattern continues, the fast car will never pass the slow car. This seems impossible, since fast cars will usually pass slow cars. I attempted to recreate the problem by racing my older sister, who is much faster than me, but when I tried it out, my sister overtook me very quickly. Am I doing something wrong? I think it has to do with the kind of shoes we were wearing, because our shoes were not made of standard tire rubber. Perhaps it has something to do with the starting position of the slow car relative to the fast car. Can you help me comprehend this enigma? How can an object with high speed never reach an object with low speed? I tried to interpret this problem from a scientific view and replaced the speeds of the cars with velocity, but became even more confused because I imagined the cars on an oval-shaped track. My understanding of the speed and relative distance of cars is not very good, so I thought I could ask you to help me fathom this strange situation. Awaiting your answer, Nathan Wu. Nathan, I appreciate you having a scientific approach and trying to solve the problem by experimenting. Whatever major you will choose for your college after high school, I can see you are going to a four-year college already. Here is the solution. You will need to see the attached picture with explanation. Say the total distance of the racing track is 40 miles. Car A is a fast-moving car and goes by 20 miles an hour, whereas the car B is slow-moving and goes by 12 miles an hour. The starting point of car A is 0 miles of the racing track, which is in a straight line. The starting point of car B is at 20 miles of the racing track. In an hour, car A reaches to the 20 miles mark. However, the car B moves 12 miles and essentially 32 miles on the track. The next hour, car B crosses the finish mark considering the race is 40 miles in total. But again, the fast-moving car A, even though going by 20 miles per hour, by the time reaches to the finish point, car B has already crossed it and in fact 2 miles ahead of car A. I hope it helps, Ms. Nakvi.